Tama. So ngayon,
He wants to reach 40. It's
Tama,
already a career high
correct.
39. CJ trying to put the icing on the cake. Turns it over anyway. Or instead, Scotty 3. No. They look for that 3. Natapik pa ni Marcio. And that will do it. San Miguel will shut the door on Barangay Ginebra here in Game 6.
superb performance, of course. It all started with the explosion of CJ Perez in the first quarter, scoring 30 points, perfect from the field, and then the finishing touches provided by Don Troliano.
Ginebra ng problema sa puntos dito sa court. Only 12 points in this quarter, Coach RG.
Tama, they were trying to shoot from the outside, particularly from...
Back in the fourth, wala na si LA sa Ginebra. Nandoon na siya sa Magnolia as playing head coach. Na-miss siya ngayong gabi ng Barangay Ginebra.
Kitang-kita talaga yung kakulangan din ng firepower at pati ng, kumbaga, yung mga certain positions, lalong-lalo na sa bigs, kulang itong Barangay Ginebra. Tapos pag nagpalit ng manlalaro, superior talaga yung bench na ipinamalas nitong San Miguel. Can you imagine Don Troliano coming off the bench?
Yung kay Troliano, 15 do sa 23 na yan dito sa second half.